Hello, Tor Lacey here with a lecture about stratigraphy. Stratigraphy is the study of strata, the layering or beds that form when sediment is deposited or when it precipitates out of water. Strata preserve a record of a period of geologic time that starts with the origin of sediment, also called its provenance, how the sediment was eroded and transported, where it was deposited, and the environmental conditions of the basin in which the sediment accumulated. This illustration provides examples of a source area for sediment and some basins in which sediment could accumulate. Sedimentary rocks also preserve a record of the geologic events that happened after the sediment became rock. Strata can become deformed through the process of deformation, when tectonic stresses push or pull on a formation of rock, causing it to bend or break. The structures that result from deformation include folds and faults. Volcanic activity produces magma, which may intrude into strata, creating intrusive igneous features such as dikes and sills. Finally, beds of strata or other rock types may be removed by erosion and replaced by new strata with long gaps of time, tens to hundreds of millions of years separating the original strata from the newer strata. These gaps are called unconformities. Strata deform through compressional tectonic stress into an anticline, a syncline, and a reverse fault. Here, magma has intruded strata and solidified as a dike and a sill. Unconformities form when older strata is removed by erosion and replaced by significantly younger strata. Unconformities represent gaps in geologic time, with younger strata sitting atop significantly older strata. Sedimentary basins can be geographically widespread, meaning the sediment accumulating in a basin can be laterally continuous over hundreds to thousands of miles. However, these strata will not remain continuous indefinitely due to erosion and deformation that happens as the sediment is uplifted. Consequently, correlation techniques are used to match up strata that are no longer connected and may be separated by hundreds of miles. In this photo of the Grand Canyon, we can use correlation to match up the strata of the same formations on opposite sides of the Colorado River, which is at the bottom of the canyon. Thank you for your attention.